Hello and welcome to my channel and to my Onam series. Today's Nakshatram is Thirketta and it is therefore the 6th day of the Attam Onam. By today, the Pookalam would have become quite big. Also, traditionally, people visit their ancestral homes today and exchange gifts with their relatives. The recipe I have for you today is an Olan. This is an Olan that is made with both pumpkin and winter melon. This is the way I make this Olan. It is an Olan where the vegetables come together in a tasty gravy. If you are not too bothered with the aesthetics of a dish, then please do try this Olan. You will not be disappointed. ഇന്ന് തൃക്കേട്ട നക്ഷത്രമാണ്. ഈ തൃക്കേട്ട നക്ഷത്ര നാളിൽ ഞാൻ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് ഒരു ഓലൻ റെസിപ്പി കൊണ്ടാണ്. വരൂ നമുക്ക് ഓലൻ ഉണ്ടാക്കാം.
I've got a wedge of winter melon here, also called ash gourd, and a wedge of pumpkin. They both weigh 400 grams, so each of them weigh about 200 grams. I'm going to cut them into slices. I'll begin with the winter melon. I've cut that wedge of winter melon into 2 wedges. Now I'm going to cut them into slices. I've also cut that 1 wedge of pumpkin into 2 wedges and I'm now going to slice them just as I did the winter melon. Five bird's eye chillies. I'm going to cut them lengthwise. Turn the stove on high. For 50 ml of coconut milk that has been diluted in 350 ml of water into the cut vegetables. Then add the slit green bird's eye chillies. If you don't want the vegetables to break up, then dilute the milk in 250 ml of water. Now bring this to a boil and cook the vegetables. As you can see, the vegetables are cooked. The pumpkin has broken up. Now add 120 grams of black-eyed peas that have been cooked. Stir the black-eyed peas in. 70 grams of soaked and boiled black-eyed peas yielded 160 grams of boiled black-eyed peas, out of which I've used 120 grams. The water has reduced as it should because this is to be eaten as a side dish. Now let's check for salt. The salt is sufficient, so I'm now adding 100 ml of thick coconut milk. Let's stir the coconut milk in. The coconut milk is from a packet. Now that the coconut milk has gone in, let's reduce the flame and add the curry leaves. Adding the curry leaves now. Lastly, add a tablespoon of virgin coconut oil, stir and turn off the stove. The Olan will thicken as it sits. Now cover and let the Olan rest. Olan, the Ona Sadya side dish made with pumpkin and winter melon. In my opinion, the addition of the pumpkin makes this extra tasty. Please do make this for your Onam lunch. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another Onam recipe, stay safe. Bye.